what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Arshul Chandwani and I make videos basically on each and everything. So if you want to stick around and join the Edge Club, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel down below and click the bell icon right next to it just to get notified every time I post a brand new video. Okay, so for this video I decided to do a get to know me tag. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Your recent obsession. My recent obsession is makeup and making videos on internet. What is your zodiac sign? So I'm Capricorn. Yeah. Which is your favorite book? So I love Harry Potter. That's like my favorite book. And Fault in Our Stars. Yes. Which song are you obsessed with right now? Okay, so I'm obsessed with the Ketchup song. It's so good. What's my full name? My full name is Harshal Chandwani. Which is your favorite Netflix show? Stranger Things and Breaking Bad. Are you lazy? Yes, I'm very lazy. Do you bite your nails? Yes, I do. What is your age? I am 18 officially. Your favorite YouTuber? Brent Rivera and his whole group. Apple or Android? Apple, any day. Have you ever peed in pool? Yes, I have. Do you have any tattoo/piercings? Yes, I have 2 tattoos and 1 piercing. Your longest relationship so far? Next question. Introvert or extrovert? Extrovert. Yeah. Where were you born? So I was born in Ratlam, MP. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have an older sister. Do you have any nickname? Yes, I have quite a few. Hershey is one of them. Are you a morning person or night person? So I am both, I would say, because sometimes I like to just wake up all night, but then sometimes I feel like getting up super early in the morning and do all of my work. So I'm both. I can be both. Have you ever shot a gun? Yes, I have. I don't remember exactly when, but I was very chotu us time. Yeah, so I have. Have you ever won any concert? Of course, yeah. There's this whole video. Are you afraid of heights? No, I'm not. I'm not afraid of anything. What would you pick, floral or skeleton prints? Floral prints. In which city are you currently in? So I'm in Mumbai right now. Last thing you did? I did my makeup. Which is not exactly a makeup because I just applied lipstick and mascara. Do you chew your pen or pencil? Yes, I do. Who is your celebrity crush? So I really like Aditya Roy Kapoor and Noah. Local solo trip or international fam trip? I would go with international fam trip. Yeah. Do you have any pets? No, I don't. I don't have any pet. I want one dog, but I don't have one right now. Organized or messy? I am messy. I'm like the messiest person you will see. Oh god. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys the halat of my room. Do you take the shampoo and conditioner bottles from the hotel? Well, I don't, because firstly I have colored my hair, color treated my hair, and secondly my hair are super long and thick जो उसी bottle में कुछ नहीं होता है उसका, so I don't. Dogs or cats? Dogs, any day. Which is your favorite movie? There are a lot, but I really like To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Your favorite Bollywood movie? My favorite Bollywood movie, there's no as such a favorite movie, but I've watched Aashiqui 2 movie 68 times. 68. Your favorite clothing brand? H&M. Do you smile for every picture? Yes, I do smile for every damn picture. I know. Do you like to collect something? No, I don't. No. How much percentage you got in 10th and 12th grade? I got 9 CGPA in 10th grade and 85% in 12th grade. So Your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. I love yellow and nude pink. Any instrument you like to play? I don't like to play any instrument, but I do have guitar. So yeah. Whom are you closest to in your family? So I'm really close to my sister and my mother. Mother. Any sport you are good at? I believe I'm really good at swimming. Do you sing in car? Yes, I do. Do you sing in shower? Yes, of course. Have you ever been to a concert? I have been to many concerts. Ever tried to learn TikTok dance? Oh my god, yes, I have. TikTok dance are the best. Oh! Have you ever got into any major accident? No. No, not really. Comfy clothes or sexy clothes? I would go for sexy clothes because, yeah, I like dressing up. Are you patient? No, I'm not. No, I'm very impatient. Ever had any surgery? No. I'm a very अच्छी वाली लड़की, so no. Dogs or kids? Dogs. Any day. I hate kids. Hate. Which phone you have? I have iPhone 11 now. Which is your favorite festival? Okay, so I love Navratri and I'm waiting this corona thing to just go away and so that I can celebrate Navratri to the fullest. Yes. Oh, I love Navratri. What is your pet peeve? I really don't like when people walk slow and when they have like a really cranky, irritating voice. How many members are there in your family? So yeah, in total 5. In which school you studied? I was a part of 2 schools till 8th grade. I was in St. Joseph Convent Senior Secondary School, Ratlam, and after that I switched up to Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Academy, Ratlam. In which college are you studying? So I'm in HR College, Mumbai. What is your favorite food? I really like to eat pasta and then pizza. I love pasta. What thing you do when bored? I watch Netflix or YouTube. I binge watch basically a lot. And sometimes do makeup because that's my current obsession. So what is your favorite homemade food? I really like my mom's pani puri. I don't know if that's like countable in the homemade food, but yeah, she really makes amazing pani puri, so I love that. Do you have any phobia? No, I don't have any phobia. Which is your dream vacation? I really want to go to Maldives and Amsterdam and Tomorrowland. Yeah. Which is your favorite restaurant? So I really like this place in Ahmedabad. It's the Sold Square. So I really love that place. So yeah. When is your birthday? It's on 30th December. A day before New Year. Yay! Tell everyone about your best moment so far. My best moment was the tsunami period. Yeah, last year there was this fest, BMS Fest, called Tsunami. So, alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you all like it, and if you did, then please drop a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. I would love to make it for you guys, and yeah, that's it, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.